So guys, yesterday kunama-patriots acele ukubona uNomzamo from Iseri, the one that is fighting for illegal immigrants. So this is uNomzamo wearing black in this video. Okay, let's listen to her, guys.
I-preamble ye-constitution ithi i-South Africa ibhilonga kulo umuntu ohlala ngaphakathi kuyona.
belongs to all those who live in it. Illegally.
I-constitution yase-South Africa
awungakhamisi thina sisulukuza
ngabe ayikho icriminal, ngabe yona icriminal
ukhuluma noNomzamo straight usinomzamo. Yebo manini phela ngicela ukhuluma ninjani sisi usinomzamo unalisilale ngeke sike sahlala ku Corner Fox no Holt mahlala khona Fox and Holt lapha eflatini.
So guys, uyena-ke uNomzamo lona, this is uNomzamo, the one that is fighting for illegal immigrants ongafuna ama-South Africans from Iseri. Iseri ayifuni ama-South Africans. The video I posted yesterday, you saw her fighting for illegal foreigners. Yena ne-organization yakhe, they prioritize foreign nationals, illegal foreign nationals. They are against South Africans. Iyona-ke into ombona njengoba umuzwa nje ethi i-South Africa belongs to all, ulwela ama-foreign nationals. Akawafuni ama-South Africans. Yena neseri yakhe abawafuni ama-South Africans ngenhliziyo yabo yonke. As I said yesterday guys, ukuthi into abayilwelayo balwela ukuthi u-MMC umlungisi Mabaso uthi ama-South Africans awalungiselwe ahlale kuleya ndawo. Kuphume ama-illegal immigrants adeportwe abuyele emazweni abo. uNomzamo neseri bathi never. Illegal foreigners are not going anywhere. And I love how South Africans are exposing Iseri right now in Johannesburg because this organization iyinkinga kubantu base-South Africa. Ifana ne-human rights ne-Helen Suzman. Abawafuna ama-South Africans angazi ukuthi sabenzani.
I'm failing to understand. Yazi lento engiyibonelana ngiyazi edrobheni kuphela. You know, iy'toro zama-foreigners ey'ningi kanjeni ikhona nekhona. Lento ngiyazi edrobheni kuphela. Bengazi ukuthi elokishini ngohlangana ne-problem enje. Yabo zikhona yes in the township but la phela usungathi semoli manje la. Imoli ama-foreign nationals. Yabo iPakistan enempandla elingenampandla ubona konke nje la ubona nje konke la kuse Hillbrow kahle kahle. So but ngimtshelile ku council ukuthi when we come back we are not going to report to anyone ngoba kufuneka siyodila nalamazamazama amaningi nobonile maningi kakhulu ke la amazamazama ahlala la yabo ngibone amanye asosa nenyama kushuthi akhululeke over la asekwazi nokuhlala braai yabo. So now we need to come back and masibuya sizukusho because la kufuneka ama-TLB ayi-2 not ayi-1. So dinga i-TLB ezovala lemgodi engale ngemuva while enye i-TLB demolisha lama shop agcwele lapha la ase-encroach lavala ama-spaces. So ngiyaxolisa abaholi ngoba sengibonile ukuthi nani ngama-beneficiaries alama foreign nationals. Ningixolele nkosi yami abantu base-South Africa abahluphekile kufuneka sibasize. Then-ke senoyibona ukuthi nenze njani sengiqedile mina ukusebenza ngayihambela.
Amen.
Yabo ngoba I can tell you the only thing usera akwazi ukuyenza ukuye court. Angeke aze anisize ngendawo zokuhlala, ngeke azenze lutho, ngeke azenze la informal settlement. Azobuka the extent of your problem. The only thing azoyenza nje ukusathi ne court. So now asizukuvuma ukuthi kuthiwa abantu abezokubenefita because they are still waiting for Seri because Useri has no mandate to provide human settlements. It's the department that has that mandate. So but we will engage in the team and see how we then assist abantu bakithi.
Ayikho inhlobo ye-foreigner engatake over eSouth Africa ozamazama ngapha ama-Pakistan, ama-Bangladesh, ama-Nigerians. Wonke umuntu uyadominate, wonke umuntu take over. Yonke indawo eSouth Africa kune-Nigeria, kune-Pakistan, kune-Bangladesh. Not because those people are just staying there. No, because they are owning those areas. If you look around South Africa, everywhere is dominated by foreign nationals. Even in our small towns. There are so many places now as South Africans we are not allowed to enter because they are owned by foreign nationals. You see njengoba kuvala ama-tuck shop right now, I saw a place in Maritzburg, it was written Asaba, in a township in Pietermaritzburg. There is no Asaba in South Africa, but that place was written Asaba. Can you as a South African go to Nigeria, to Bangladesh, wherever, and start writing abo Limpopo nabo KZN there? Kunesisho sesiZulu esithiwa kwayibopha kuyayikhulula, sizoyikhulula thina. Iyona-ke iseri yethu lena eyibiza ngokuthi imele ama-South African, imele abahlali base-South Africa. Just like our Human Rights Commission ethi imele sonke e-South Africa, ibe imele isayidi elilodwa.